I came here for bus compression because I did want more power in the drums. So rather than just doing that for the sake of it, instead what I'm going to do is to reintroduce this version back into the mix, and we'll begin to hear exactly what's happening as a result. So again, I'm going to turn the wet gain down, and we'll slide it in under the dry unprocessed signal to see exactly what this bus compression treatment is doing in the mix.